This demo describes the steps to forward a QuantumBio submission to GridMarkets. When the user starts up Mo with the QuantumBio DivCon Discovery Suite installed, the extra QuantumBio menu is automatically populated and available for selection. Select the MT-Score ES Interactive to run the MT-Score End State Sidecar widget. When the user chooses the MT-Score ES Interactive interface, a custom QuantumBio widget appears along the right-hand side of the main window. This widget is used to drive the simulation preparation and provides all of the tools necessary to prepare the molecule. After the MT-Score ES sidecar is opened, you can choose to open an MDB project file, which includes the MT-Score ES data from previous runs. Alternatively, create an empty MDB project file, and it will be populated with new data as time goes on. This project file allows for persistence between Mo execution and different collaborators. As our solution is fully integrated within the Mo interface, other Mo tools become available to you. For example, you may use both the built-in structure preparation widget to clean up the molecule, such as adding protons, completing side chains, and so on. Or, you can use the molecule builder to modify the ligand. To remind you that the structure will need to be prepared prior to submission, the status field in the MT-Score ES sidecar will tell you when the structure is ready. The structure preparation shortcut button is also provided by the sidecar. Once the structure is prepared and you are ready to run an MT-Score ES job, you can choose the DivCon executor designated by the SVR configure button. When GridMarkets is selected, the Envoy icon is shown. You are encouraged to verify your username, available credits, and so on. Select the Envoy application if you would like to modify these settings, which will then be automatically updated on the widget. If you see a figure such as this one, it means that you are being told to install or start the Envoy application. When you start Envoy, the dialog box will automatically update and the connection will go to OK. Finally, click the Add button and the execution on GridMarkets will commence using the chosen SVR. You may start and run in parallel as many of these calculations as you like, providing a sufficient credit balance is available. When a job is started, it is forwarded to Envoy using the familiar interface including the following points. MT-Score ES End State and MT-Score E Ensemble are both supported in our GridMarkets interface functions. End state runs as a single protein ligand complex. MT-Score E uses a call to Mo to run docking and the output is passed to a second set of DivCon tasks with one task per ligand. When the job is submitted, the DivCon log file name and DivCon JSON output file are noted in the MDB, while the MT-Score ES value remains empty. Upon completion of the calculation, the results will be downloaded from GridMarkets. This value will be automatically updated once Envoy downloads the output files. Upon completion of the job, the log file is displayed. Both the log file and the JSON file are downloaded to your computer. When the calculation is complete, the value is populated in the MDB project file and the MT-Score ES widget. This allows GridMarkets to serve as an equal player with other methods of execution, while at the same time the user gains the benefits of back-ending these jobs on an unlimited cluster. The entire MT-Score ES cycle time, from submission, queue, execution, and download, is approximately 15 minutes, which is longer than running locally. However, because GridMarkets can queue-run these calculations in parallel, the Mo MT-Score ES plugin will submit and manage each job in a threaded manner. You can therefore build molecules interactively using Mo, and Mo will talk to Envoy in the background and recognize when new data files, DivCon log and DivCon JSON files become available, and update the database MDB and score list appropriately. Furthermore, you can even quit Mo, such as at the end of the day or work session, and when you open the MDB file in the next session, it will be automatically updated with the existence of any new DivCon data files available in the MDB file shown. Going forward, upon completion of the analysis, you will be able to choose to run MT-score-E ensemble on the chosen ligands using GridMarkets. This step is more rigorous and more time-consuming when compared to MT-score-ES, and it may include docking, dynamics, and other global sampling methods of your choice. Contact us at pharma@gridmarkets.com if you have any questions. Thank you.